I'm excited to show you this one today. This is a wireless meat thermometer. No app is required, which is awesome. Comes in a very nice case. Giving it to the cook in your life, the meat lover. Great, great product. Very nice packaging. Comes with the complete instructions, but this is actually super easy to use. So right here, there's a little power button. You're going to go ahead, press and hold, turn that on. There we go. And then right there, it says not connected. Once you push the little probes up, it instantly connects by Bluetooth. So I did that one. Now let's do that one. And there we go. So this allows you to cook different things, monitor different things. And all right, so here I've got a couple of chicken breasts. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the probe in. And you want to make sure that this part stays within your meat. Don't want it to come through like on the other side. So I get that in there like that. And we'll do the other one. Make sure, okay, we're good there. Now let's set our, we are going to do chicken. So we're going to do chicken. Oh, let me slide that up. There we go. Then it's going to give you the automatic, what the recommended settings are for chicken. So I like my chicken extra done. So we're going to do that one, that set up. And then we'll go ahead and set this one also at chicken. Well done. And then we do start cooking. Let's put it in the oven. All right, so the chicken is in the oven. And here in the settings, you can set the brightness of this if you want sound on or off, if you want the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, temperature warnings, and then your preferred English. And they've got a couple different options here for you. That's the settings. I also wanted to show you here, this temp is just, the chicken is just about to hit 171. Perfect temp for me. As you can see, the probe on the bottom, the degrees are not quite up to 170 or 171. That chicken breast is significantly thicker. Fortunately, it only took a few extra minutes to cook, but we're just about to that 171, and then we're going to be ready to enjoy our perfect moist chicken dinner. I highly